Hi guys, so these four controllers came out of a dumpster, so I thought I would take one of them to bits. These two have been tested and had a deep clean and are working. So this one was fixed with a deep clean and is working. This one was also fixed by a deep clean and is working and is in very good condition. See the official Sony. This one is a parts controller. It's got stuff missing off it. So I've been using this one I'll use this one as a parts controller. So this one I'll be showing you how to take to bits. So I will put these to a side. As I've already mentioned, these two again work with a deep clean, and they're completely fine. I've done a test on the computer, no stick drift or anything like that. So we'll put them to one side. This one I say is a parts controller, so we'll put that to one side. This one I will take to bits. I will show you how to take it to bits, and I will clean it. The only thing I'm using as part of the new challenge is a screwdriver. It's a Phillips 1 screwdriver, a washing up liquid in a bottle, isopropyl alcohol, cotton buds, a toothbrush, and some tweezers and a cloth. That's all I'll be using as part of the new challenge of fixing things with things that you can find around the house. This is episode 1 of this. So I'll be fixing numerous things, primarily from dumpsters, but it'll be spares or repairs, things on eBay, FreeCycle, Oleo, all kinds of different websites like that. So anything I can find that can potentially be fixed with things around the house, I will be doing in this series, and I will keep a tally of what can be fixed and can't be fixed. I'll show you the good and I'll show you the bad. So there's 5 screws. So there's a screw here, 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 and one here, which is a Phillips 1 screw. Again, thanks for Cookie's crew for supplying me with these. These have come from Cookie's crew. I'll leave a link to them on the thumbnail, and I'll leave a link to them on the description. If you have anything that potentially could be fixed, that you could send to me, feel more than free to reach out to me, DM me or comment or whatever. If you could like, comment and subscribe, that would be fabulous. So then the back comes off. Sometimes you need a bit of a pry bar. So this is just a little pry bar. You can use a butter knife or anything like that. So we're still within the challenge. You don't really need to do anything, you can probably do it without it. So this needs a clean, so we'll clean this. We'll clean this while we're here. Again with a toothbrush. we'll clean it off with a cloth. I would normally use compressed air, but in interest of the challenge, not everybody has that, so I won't be using that. So these were found in a charity shop dumpster by the Cookies crew. Again, thank you very much to the Cookies crew. So we'll take, there's another screw here that we have to take out, which is the same as the other screws. So we'll put that in a different thing. And then this should just lift out to do your stick drift and what have you. This does lift out, this white bit does lift out, but we don't need to lift it out to put the to do this. So we'll pop these off. We'll pop these off. They go on and come off. So we normally put a bit of isopropyl alcohol inside the thumbsticks here. So we'll just drip a little bit in there. Isopropyl alcohol evaporates, so we can just work that in there, clean it all out. Normally I would use some compressed air in a can, however in the interest of the challenge I won't be doing that. And then we put these back on, we'll clean these up a little bit. Again with some fairy liquid, spray it in the middle, and we will clean it off. We'll clean this one as well. So those are cleaner than they were. If you'd like to see me clean anything else, let me know. If you'd like to see me fix anything else or show you how to take anything else to bits, let me know. Doesn't have to be console related, it can be anything really. I'll try my best to show it on camera. So I'll put these back on. These only go on one way. It's like a little, if you can see on there, it's like a rectangle a bit. So then that goes back round on there. That's just potentially fix the stick drift on this controller. 99% of stick drift is fixed by cleaning, in my experience, which is exactly the same way that I've just done it. So a lot of stick drift is things that are stuck inside the controller, hairs and dust and things like that. So we'll put this number 1 button back in. This goes back in like just slots in. Says quite confidently. So, like that. Put this one back in. And then the back cover, we'll clean these bits here, because they gather dust as well and grime and stuff, so we'll do that. If you take that white bit off on the inside, it clips in. I'll show you in a minute where it clips, and to show you how to take it out. So if you want to take the white bit out, it clips in here, here, here and here. You need to have like a flathead screwdriver or some kind of pry tool, take it out, and it just pops off all as one, including this board and the battery. So then we'll put this back cover back on. If you open it, if you take it out this way, you can see it, take it away this way, all the buttons don't fall out, and if you take it out that way, all the buttons fall out. So you want to take it out this way, preferably on like a cloth or a mat or something, so it's got a bit more give in the buttons, so it doesn't come out anyway, unless you want the buttons out, obviously. And that just clips back on. And it doesn't. Buttons are falling off. Buttons are falling off. So that. If these come off, it's got like a little spring that you have to kind of like put one side down so it springs back. They're easy to put back on, just frustrating when they come off. That button's come off again. Just doing this, I'm doing it as for a video on YouTube, isn't it? If I wasn't doing a video on YouTube, it would go on quite nicely. Sometimes if you press the buttons in, it helps them go in. We'll put the screws back in. May take a few attempts to put the screws back in. So again, thank you for Team Cookies or Cookies Crew for supplying these items to me. I will be probably raffling one of these off, or all of these off individually. So if you want to enter the raffle, you need to go to raffle.com and it'll be £1 per entry. And you'll be helping waste. You'll be helping things not go to landfill. All these came out of a dumpster. And you'll be helping going out, getting more things for this. So if you'd like to enter, I will leave the details in the description. And I can't find where I put the last screw in there. These will all come tested, so obviously cleaned, tested. So there'll be 3 controllers up for grabs. I'm not sure if they're all going to be up at the same time or one after the other, but they will all come tested and deep cleaned as per the YouTube video. So it'll be £1 to enter, and I'll probably draw it in a couple of weeks. Give everyone a chance to watch the video and enter if they want to. So yeah, it'll all be deep cleaned. It'll all be tested by myself, and all these came from a dumpster. So there'll be 3 up for grabs, as there's 3 here. So all individual. So there might be a listing for a white one, and there might be a listing for a black one, and then I'll probably do a listing for a black one after that. I'm not sure how many listings I can do at a time, but I could definitely do one at a time. I know that. So I hope that's been interesting for somebody, and a bit of a tutorial video of how to take it to bits and put it back together. If you'd like to see any more, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you very much again to the Cookies Crew for supplying me with these items. It was very kind of them to supply me with these items and to allow me to put it on YouTube and what have you. So keep up the good work, Cookies Crew. You do great things for the community, and you're doing great things to save waste. Amazing people. So as much as I'd like to rabbit on about the Cookies Crew, I shall not rabbit on about the Cookies Crew, and I shall bid you all good day, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye bye.